next topic, that we understood what exactly preamble is. Okay, now the question come that fine, we have understood that there are 64 preambles and the preamble format. Now the question come that okay, when and where exactly we are going to send this, or where we are going to transmit this RACH. Okay, so as per this 3GPP table, this is from one of the 3GPP. This is from one of the 3GPP table to understand about when and where exactly you are going to send your PRACH. Okay, so now try to understand in a very simple manner, like the E node B, okay, reserves a specific resource block also for PRACH. Okay, so there are two important configuration that from the SIP2. I will show you that what are the IEs that we are going to use. So one of the IE that we are going to select is a PRACH configuration index. Okay, and one more important parameter, that is PRACH frequency offset. So we will understand about these two things, which will give you the answer about when and where exactly does a UV transmit the RACH. Okay, so there are 64 PRACH configuration index which has been defined as per 3GPP. You can see from 0 to 63, and we will take one example to understand that how exactly you can read this. Okay, let's suppose if it is configured with PRACH configuration index 2. So if your inode is configured with PRACH config index 2, it means that your UV gonna use a preamble format 0, and it can select for sending that preamble, okay, to transmit that RACH any system frame number. So whenever we are telling about system frame number, there are 1024 system frame number. So it can choose even one. Okay, like it can go with 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. Okay, so we know that PRACH config index 2 preamble format 0 it's gonna choose. It will choose a system frame number any even one, and let's suppose it has chosen 6. In that 6, let's suppose, so it is like it is only the radio frame number SFN. Okay, in that particular radio frame, 7 subframe, let's suppose 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7th subframe is going to use for the transmission of that particular preamble. Okay, that particular RACH exactly the where exactly you are going to transmit. So this is particular location. Okay, so this is what exactly PRACH configuration index significance. If you take this one preamble form PRACH config index 5, it means it is going to use 0 preamble format. It can go with any SFN from 1024 and go with 7 subframe number. Okay, this is how exactly you want to read this. Now there's other important I, that PRACH frequency offset. So PRACH frequency offset, in a very simple one liner, you can understand what exactly it is going to do. It is going to tell PRACH config, a PRACH frequency offset tells or specify that their location, this location in the frequency domain. Okay, we can take an example. Let's suppose the PRACH config index is 5. If your PRACH config index is 5, okay, it is telling that it supports the PRACH transmission in subframe 7 okay, of every frame. Okay. No, 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 no. Yeah. So one of the important thing that is PRACH frequency offset. So PRACH frequency offset basically it will give the location in the frequency domain. And let's suppose if we take the example 5 or let's take the example 7. So what exactly that means? It is telling that the transmission occupy the resource block from 7. Okay, it is going to start from RB number 7 and it will go till the number where exactly your 6 PRB gonna complete, like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so likewise it is going to go up to that particular number where 6 PRB is going to be covered. So this will be giving you the starting point of the RB number from where exactly it is going to be counted. Okay.